guys, I'm kind of whispering right now because it's literally like 7 in the morning and I just got this package. It's so freaking exciting. I'm excited and I just wanted to unbox it with y'all. So let's just do that. And there it is. So pretty. I need to literally just open this, but I wanted to wait to unbox it with y'all. So pretty. Look at it. And this is such a change because I'm gonna put like a comparison of mine that I have right now, which is the iPhone S Plus, and it's been a while that I've gotten a new phone. I've been with my phone, which I'm recording with right now, for about 5 years. So literally it's been a total upgrade. I was gonna get the 10R, but then this came up, and then I was like, why not just, and I was getting reviews about it. They're like, if you have the XR or whatever, one type of those models, don't get the 11, but if you're upgrading, total upgrade, then just get the 11. It's $100 more, and I mean, it's totally worth it. I worked so much for this, my own money, and I can't believe it. I have it in my hands. It's worth it. Okay, I got the 128 gigabytes because literally the one I have is 16, and it's totally everything. It's a total upgrade. But let's just open this and let's see what I have. So excuse for the space that I have here. I'm trying to make it look better the best I can. So yes, like I said, I got the 2 and 128 gigabytes. So exciting. I'm actually gonna cry. I was crying when I was ordering this. Right, okay, here we go. So satisfying. This is the first time I ever opened an iPhone. Oh my gosh, look at it. I can't. Open it. I still can't see it. I still can't believe I actually. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it actually has the hole that everyone talks about. It's so weird. I need to go buy a case like ASAP. Oh my gosh, it's super pretty. It's extra pretty. I really need to put a drawings for this. That's so exaggerating. But it's just so cute. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to take it out of the package. Look at it, it's so shiny. It's just beautiful. Okay. I'm glad this is not like steep, like glassy. I'm not even gonna touch the bag. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So excited. Hey, you know what? I upgraded to an emoji, so it's pretty cool. But let me just set this aside. But okay, so it has this thing designed by Apple, which is pretty cool. I have new headphones. My headphones were were like dying already. They're dead, and that's because it's like an aux cord. So these would be a different thing to do, and obviously a charger and the charger. And I'm honestly so grateful for this. This is literally my Christmas present, and I wouldn't ask for anything else. But I'm so glad God knew how to supplement this. Like, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the color of this beauty mess. I thought I was not gonna like it, because I'm like, oh, it's just like, I liked it, but now here is just wow, it's amazing, it's beautiful. Oh yes, just in case you guys wondered if I turned it on, yes, but I haven't set it up. I'm gonna set this up a side camera, but yes, I just wanted y'all to see. I literally just touched the glass part. Just literally a lot of fingerprints, but I could clear that up later. That's the thing I like. Anyways, yes, let me just satisfy you. Oh, it's so weird. I need to get a screen protector. This is why I didn't take it off. So I'll get a satisfying part. But let me just set it up real quick. But I need to do the rest in outer crown.